In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Markdown editor for creating and editing documents, specifically within Visual Studio Code or VS Code. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the entire process from setting up your workspace to successfully committing and pushing your changes to GitHub. Let's dive in and get started. First, open VS Code. Once your IDE is up and running, head over to the top menu bar. Click on the File option and then select Open Folder. This is where you'll choose the project folder that contains or will contain your Markdown files. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for accessing and managing your files efficiently. With your project folder open, locate your readme.md file, which is typically used for documentation. To start editing, simply click on this file to open it in the editor pane within VS Code. Now here's where the power of the Markdown editor really shines. To preview how your Markdown document will appear once it's formatted, you have two options. The quicker way is to press Ctrl along with Shift and V on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can right-click directly on the file and choose Open Preview from the context menu. This handy preview feature lets you see changes in real time, providing instant feedback and ensuring your document looks just right before sharing or publishing it. Now that your document is good to go, the next step involves bringing it into version control using Git. Open the integrated terminal in VS Code and execute the command git init. This initializes a new Git repository right within your project folder, making it ready for tracking changes. Subsequently, add all your project files to this repository with the command git add. This command stages all changes, preparing them for commit. Now, to record your initial changes, execute git commit m add documentation. This action saves your project state in the repository's history, along with a brief message describing what you've done. Following that, let's connect this local repository to a remote one on GitHub. This process requires adding a remote URL by typing git remote add origin, followed by your repository's URL from GitHub. Don't forget to replace the placeholder in the URL with your actual username and repository name. To ensure a seamless connection, set the main branch of your repository with the command git branch mmain. This establishes the default branch name as main, adhering to the common naming convention. Finally, push your changes to the GitHub repository using git push uorigin main. This command uploads your local commits to the main branch on the remote GitHub repository. As you continue to work and update your documents, remember to eventually run git add, git commit update docs, dispid, and git push, which allow you to seamlessly continue updating your GitHub repository with the latest version of your documentation. And there you have it, a straightforward method to manage your Markdown documents with VS Code and GitHub. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide enhances your productivity in handling documentation projects.